Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a unique timetable. To begin, list all your non-negotiable commitments, like work meetings or classes, which are your fixed points. Next, pinpoint when you are most alert and productive. This is crucial for scheduling demanding tasks. Finally, assign dedicated time blocks for your key activities, ensuring you also include short, rejuvenating breaks throughout your day. This foundational step sets the stage for a truly personalized schedule. Now, let's prioritize your tasks effectively. Use a simple 4-quadrant system to sort tasks by urgency and importance, focusing on the important but not urgent quadrant for proactive work. For bigger projects, divide them into smaller, actionable steps, perhaps 5 to 7 per project. Be realistic when estimating how long each task will take, adding an extra 15 to 20 minutes as a buffer for unexpected delays. This structured approach prevents overwhelm and promotes steady progress. To truly make your timetable unique, infuse it with your personal rhythm. If you're a morning person, tackle complex tasks early. If you thrive later, save deep work for the afternoon. Group similar activities, like responding to emails or making calls, into 1 or 2 dedicated blocks to boost efficiency. Also, include 1 or 2 flexible blocks, each about 30 to 60 minutes, for spontaneous opportunities, urgent matters, or simply creative exploration. This adaptability is key to a sustainable schedule. Finally, your timetable is a living document, not set in stone. Dedicate about 10 to 15 minutes at the end of each week to review how well your schedule worked. Note what went well and what didn't, then make small adjustments to task durations or placements. Remember, the goal is to create a supportive structure, not a restrictive cage. Be kind to yourself and allow for evolution as your needs and priorities shift over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.